Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel KTM Booster. Today we will be having the discussion on profit and loss topic. This is a very interesting and important topic in which all the problems can be asked in your various examinations. I mean some of problems from the profit and loss can be asked in various examinations. What is profit and loss? Basically, suppose let us consider if I buy a stock of Reliance at 2000 rupees, right? If I buy it and I sell it, right? If I sell it at rupees, what we can say 2200, right? Means what is my profit? My profit will be 200 rupees, right? So profit percent will be 200. कितने पे बाय किया था 2000 पे मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. ये 0 कट गया, राइट? सो माय profit percent will be 10%. In this way we are going to solve the problems. First of all we will see the basics regarding the profit and loss, the basic terminologies behind the profit and loss, that is CP. What is CP? That is cost price. I am giving you important trick for calculation of the answer for the profit and loss. Please see question number 3 and 4. SP, that is selling price. Next we are having first case, if SP is greater than CP, then profit will be there. We know that when selling price is greater than cost price, then at that time profit will be there. And how to calculate that particular profit? That is profit equal to selling price minus cost price, isn't it? Now second, if cost price is greater than selling price, then it will be a loss. Now how to calculate the loss? Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Do you get this concept? Right? That is, if selling price is greater than cost price, then profit will be occurred. Then if cost price is greater than selling price, then loss will be occurred, isn't it? Now we will see that the percentage profit, right? This is what the profit, this is what the loss. Now we will see the percentage profit or percent profit equal to, we have the formula, that is profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. This is what the formula to calculate percentage profit. Now this is very important formula to calculate the percentage profit, right? Because the profit percent or loss percent is always calculated on cost price, not on selling price. It is always calculated on cost price. Now we will see the formula for the percentage loss, right? That is whatever the loss occurred divided by CP multiplied by 100. This will be what? The formula to calculate percent loss, right? So percentage loss equal to loss upon CP multiplied by 100. Okay. Now we will see when the selling price, cost price is given, and when loss percentage is given, right? And at that time the three quantities, there is selling price, cost price, and profit percent and loss percent. These are four quantities are there. If any one quantity is not given, then how to calculate that particular quantity? We have the standard formula. Now we will see that particular formula by using which we can calculate the unknown quantity. So first of all we will see that is selling price. How to calculate selling price when cost price, profit percentage is given? That is selling price is equal to what? Cost price multiplied by 100 plus profit percent divided by what? 100, isn't it? When profit percent is given and when loss percent is given, then SP is equal to CP multiplied by 100 minus loss percent divided by 100, isn't it? Now when cost price is to be calculated, CP is equal to what? SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent. Okay, and when loss percent is given, when we have to calculate cost price, at that time write CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent. Right, now this will be the formula to calculate cost price when loss percent is given, to calculate cost price when profit percent is given, to calculate selling price if loss percent is given, and to calculate selling price again when profit percent is given. Now any one quantity is unknown with us, we can calculate any quantity by using 4 formulas. Okay, now we will see the first problem on profit and loss. Vivek buys an article for rupees 80, means what? Buying price means what? Cost price, that is 80, right? And it sales at what? 100 rupees, so selling price will be what? 100. His profit percent, right? Means if selling price is greater than cost price, means what? The profit will be there, right? So the profit percent is equal to the profit divided by CP multiplied by 100. So what is the profit? That is SP minus CP. What is SP? 100 minus CP is what? 80. So profit is 20. So we can write here 20 divided by what is CP? That is 80 multiplied by 100. 0 0 will get cancelled. 2 4 and 4 25. Okay, so 25% will be our answer. That is 25% profit. Okay, now we'll see second problem. If refrigerator is purchased at 10,000 rupees, means cost price will be what? 10,000, and sold it for 8,000, means selling price will be what? 8,000, right? Here CP is greater than SP, means it will occur with what? Loss, right? How to calculate loss? Yes, how to calculate loss? That is CP minus SP. What is CP? That is 10,000. What is SP? 8,000. So what is loss? 2,000. Okay, so we have loss, that is 2,000. Okay, now find the loss percent. So loss percent is given by what? Loss divided by CP multiplied by 100. Okay, always keep in mind loss as well as profit will be on CP, right? Not on SP. It will always occur on what? Cost price, isn't it? Now we will see, that is what is loss? 2,000. So we will take 2,000. What is CP? That is 10,000 multiplied by 100. Okay, 30 30, 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 ones are 5 twos are 0s are, right? So loss percent will be, that is 20%. So our answer is what? 20%. For more such type of videos, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.